Just get the head out, cleaning it out.
Baby's here.
Baby's here. Oh, I want my baby.
He's coming, baby.
Mm.
Oh.
9:10. What time? 9:10. Okay. No cornbone banking.
Oh, he looks so cute, baby. He's crying. They're cleaning him up. He's going to come right to you in a second.
Yes, it is. Okay.
They're cleaning him up, baby.
Bucket.
He's going to come to you right now.
And can I clean him up, please?
Oh.
That's good, thank you. That's right. That's good.